A seemingly simple act, turning on your car's headlights, involves an intricate electrical ballet. Yet, this fundamental function sometimes fails, leaving drivers in the dark at critical moments. Understanding why these systems activate, and why they cease to operate, requires a deep dive into the vehicle's hidden electrical infrastructure, a sophisticated grid designed for robust performance and stringent protective measures. At the foundation of this automotive power grid lies the 12-volt lead-acid battery. Its primary function is to deliver the substantial current needed to activate the engine's starter motor. Beyond ignition, the battery acts as a crucial electrical buffer, stabilizing voltage fluctuations. It also serves as the sole power reservoir, supplying electricity to components when the engine is off or when alternator output is insufficient for high demand. Once the engine starts, the alternator assumes the critical role of the vehicle's primary electrical power generator. Driven by the serpentine belt, it efficiently converts mechanical energy into alternating current, rectified into direct current by internal diodes. This DC power simultaneously recharges the battery and powers the entire operational electrical system, encompassing engine management, ignition, lighting, and infotainment. Without continuous operation, the battery would discharge, leading to progressive system shutdown. The electrical power, generated by the alternator or drawn from the battery, traverses the vehicle through an extensive, complex wiring harness. This network consists of hundreds of individual conductors, insulated and color-coded, bundled into sub-harnesses. These wires are the arteries, each designed to carry specific voltage and current loads to every electrical component, from high-wattage headlights to delicate sensors. Integrity and continuity are fundamental for reliable system operation. To safeguard circuits from destructive overcurrent, which could damage components or cause vehicle fires, fuses are strategically integrated. A fuse contains a calibrated metallic filament designed to melt and create an open circuit if current exceeds a predefined safe limit. Relays are electromechanical switches, enabling a low-current control signal to activate a much higher current circuit, such as headlights. This protects delicate cabin switches from high loads, allowing efficient, centralized control of powerful remote systems. Driver interaction with the lighting system begins at control switches located within the cabin. These switches, whether physical or touchscreen integrated, complete a low-current control circuit. This signal then activates the appropriate relay. For example, actuating the headlight switch sends a signal to its relay, which electromagnetically closes a separate, robust, higher current circuit, directly powering the headlamps. Engineering prioritizes accessibility, intuitive operation, and precise electrical contact over many cycles. The actual generation of visible light occurs at the light-emitting element. Historically, this involved incandescent bulbs with a tungsten filament, which glows when current heats it. Modern vehicles increasingly use light-emitting diodes, or LEDs. These semiconductor devices produce light through electroluminescence, a more energy-efficient process that generates less heat and offers an extended operational lifespan. Both filament bulbs and LEDs demand precise voltage and current for optimal light output and designed service life. A fundamental principle of any complete electrical circuit is the absolute requirement for a closed path for current flow. After current passes through a component, it must return to its source. In automotive systems, this return path is established by the vehicle's metal chassis, which acts as a common ground. Ground wires connect components to specific points on the chassis, ensuring a low-resistance path back to the battery's negative terminal. A compromised ground connection manifests as erratic operation, dim lights, flickering, or complete component failure. The most common cause of localized lighting failure is burnout or degradation of the light-producing element. For incandescent bulbs, repeated thermal cycling and prolonged high operating temperatures lead to the weakening and eventual fracture of the tungsten filament. LEDs, while more durable, can still degrade due to internal semiconductor damage, excessive operating temperatures, or sudden voltage spikes. This failure is typically isolated, affecting only a single bulb or a specific segment within an LED array. Given its vast extent, the vehicle's wiring harness is highly susceptible to various failure modes. Corrosion, often from moisture or road salts, increases resistance within conductors or at connector pins, impeding current. Physical damage from vibrations, abrasion, or impacts can cause wires to fray, insulation to compromise, or lead to complete breaks, resulting in an open circuit. Damaged insulation can expose bare conductors, leading to a short circuit if they contact the chassis or another conductor, invariably blowing a fuse. A blown fuse is an unambiguous indicator of an abnormal, excessive overcurrent event. This could stem from a direct short circuit, a component drawing unusually high current due to an internal fault, or accidental installation of an incorrect higher wattage bulb. While replacing a fuse is simple, merely swapping it without addressing the underlying cause is insufficient. Failure to rectify the initial problem will almost certainly lead to immediate recurrence, and risks more extensive damage to other interconnected electrical components. When an entire segment of the electrical system, or multiple unrelated lights, exhibits erratic behavior, dimming, or complete failure, the issue often points to a fundamental problem with primary power generation or storage. A failing alternator may not produce sufficient voltage or current to adequately recharge the battery and power systems. This leads to dimming lights, intermittent functionality, and eventual complete power loss as the battery discharges. A severely degraded battery presents identical symptoms, especially during engine startup or high electrical load conditions. Effectively diagnosing electrical failures in modern automotive systems demands a methodical approach. Technicians typically begin by inspecting the simplest points, bulbs and fuses. If inconclusive, precise voltage measurements and continuity tests are performed using multimeters at various strategic circuit points, following wiring diagrams. Identifying abnormal voltage drops, absence of voltage, or an open circuit in a conductor accurately pinpoints the fault's location, damaged wire, faulty switch, relay, or compromised ground. The electrical architecture of a contemporary automobile is not merely independent circuits, but a deeply integrated, highly interdependent network. A seemingly minor fault in one circuit can trigger unforeseen, cascading effects elsewhere. For instance, a short circuit in a taillight assembly might overload and blow a fuse shared with instrument cluster illumination or critical engine sensors. Understanding these interdependencies and common power distribution points is paramount, as the symptom may appear far removed from the actual root cause. The simple act of illuminating a vehicle's lights stands as a testament to sophisticated engineering, encompassing a complex, synchronous interplay of power generation, intricate distribution, robust protection, and precise control. From the battery and alternator establishing foundational power, through the exhaustive network of wiring, protective fuses, controlling relays, and driver-operated switches, to the light-producing elements and their essential ground return paths, every component must perform flawlessly. Failures highlight the delicate balance and deeply interconnected dependencies within this essential, hidden power grid, demanding meticulous diagnostic expertise to restore complete, safe functionality.